What is up everyone, and welcome to our course on modern JavaScript. My name is Nimish and I'll be guiding you through the next hour to hour and a half in which we'll be learning some of the new features available in the JavaScript language and using it to build up a real working app. So what is this course all about? Well, the general theme is to teach you the fundamentals of the JavaScript language, and also to explore some new features available in JavaScript versions ES6 and above. Currently, at the time of me recording this, we are on ES9, but the versions 6 through 9 have really brought some breakthrough features that have made writing code in JavaScript so much more enjoyable. We'll also be building an app throughout this course that will help us to retrieve video game stats from the website Steam. No doubt if you're big into gaming, you've heard of Steam and perhaps even used it to buy a game or two. Well, with our newfound knowledge of JavaScript, we'll be able to retrieve statistics from this website by using a RESTful API. So who should be taking this course? Well, we're assuming that you have little to no previous knowledge of JavaScript. If you have some knowledge already, then you may find some of the concepts a little slow. Nevertheless, we are focusing on the new features in the later versions, so you might pick up a thing or two anyway. We're assuming that you're keen to learn about new and advanced JavaScript concepts. Some of the new concepts introduced in versions ES6 and above cover some fairly advanced topics, so this will be a good way to gain insight into those. We're assuming that you're also interested in data fetching software. The main app that we'll be building will be tailored towards fetching software data on video games. So some of the topics that we're going to be covering is, first of all, what's new in JavaScript ES6 and above. This will just be kind of going over a quick list of the features for each of the versions 6 through 9. We'll then be talking about how to install and configure Atom. I personally will be using the text editor or IDE Atom, as well as some plugins to help me run my code. If you don't want to use that, that is totally fine. If you're happier with just like a text editor and terminal, I'll also show you how to use those. We'll be then exploring the JavaScript language basics, but we won't necessarily be doing them one topic at a time. Rather, we'll be building our project and exploring each feature as we need it. We'll be focusing first on fetching online data with JavaScript. So there'll be a few tips and tricks to structuring URLs, how to read the data that is incoming, and then actually parsing and using this online data with JavaScript. As I said, we'll be teaching you the language basics and taking advantage of those new features as we go about building our app. So this has been a quick intro into the course. I hope you guys are really excited about learning this because I am super excited to teach it to you, and I look forward to your enjoyment and participation throughout this course. So let's get started with the JavaScript new features.